Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be unboxing my Atome Card that I ordered for free. By the way, if you want to get one for yourself, check the video description for the sign up link and get your free Atome Card too. I will also link my registration tutorial in the description below. It took me about a week to receive my card. With Atome Card, you can unlock exclusive perks, enjoy discounts and vouchers with Atome Plus, play, spin and win to score amazing prizes, get rewarded when you refer friends and family, and you even boost your spending limit and earn Atome Plus points with every spend. Alright, here is the card. The build is typical plastic card. The card is backed by a legitimate bank issued via Asia United Bank in partnership with Mastercard, so it works with any merchant that accepts Mastercard. On the mailing envelope, there's a guide on how to activate the card. That's what we're going to do next. Before we activate, here's a quick look at why this card is useful. You can use Atome Card anywhere Mastercard is accepted, in stores, online, even overseas if traveling. You get payment flexibility. Atome lets you split purchases into 3 or 6 month installments, or enjoy interest-free repayment for up to 40 days. Through the Atome Plus loyalty program, you can earn points, redeem vouchers, get discounts, and enjoy promos like spin and win to score prizes. If you refer friends or family, you can earn extra Atome Plus points. Okay, let's activate the card now. I'll show you step by step. First, open your Atome app on your phone. On the homepage, tap Card. Then select Activate Card. Enter the last 4 digits of your physical card. Set up your 4-digit card PIN. This will be your PIN when using the card at POS terminals. Awesome, my Atome Card is now activated. Super easy and fast. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more unboxings, tutorials, and crypto or finance tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.